Okay, after that, we are going to make sure that you are in a standard renderer, simple material, double click to old material editor. And we want to explain a diffusion channel. The diffusion channel is not very useful for me, but it's for controlling the luminance, specular, and reflections channel. For better understanding that, we're going to here and create a physical sky and bring a simple sphere on it, and then interactive render. Now you can see we have an specular effect here, simple specular effect there. And for better understanding the diffusion channel, it's control the reflection, specular, and luminance with a texture, with a black and white texture. It's a code. In a black area, we have no reflection, no specular, no luminance, and of course, you can use this channel for make sure that you assign the material to that. To not the sphere. For controlling the brightness of the object, you can activate a diffusion channel and you can make the object more darker or more bright. That's it. It's another usage of that. With default, it's affect specular, affect luminance, and affect reflection with a black and white code. And of course, don't forget, it's a map, but it affects the texture. It means if you, for example, bring a gradient, and in the gradient, for better seeing that, open it and right click to, for example, interpolation linear, and for example invert that. You can see it control the amount of the specular with this gradient, and the gradient will be, you can see the gradient on 3D object. What is that? Type 3D, linear. For example, you can see bias handle or not. You can change the size. You can change interpolation to step, for example. Yeah, now you can see the amount of that. You can see, you cannot see the reflection here. Turn it off. We have a specular here, and we don't have a specular in the dark area, but also you can see the texture on the object. Don't forget that. And here we can mix it. It's controller specular. It's not very useful, but it's there if you can use it. Or you can give a, for example, noise, for example, that you want. Okay, you can see. It's a map, but you can see the map on a object texture. It's control the specular. Or you can control luminance of that. In a reflectance, we add a simple JJX reflection, turn off the diffuse, and as you can see, we have 100% reflection. In a diffuse, it turn on, and with this map, it control the reflection, turn it on. And now you can see in this part that is black, we don't have reflection. In another part, we have reflection. That's it. This is a usage of the diffusion channel. Look at these images. Or you can assign simple noise on it and turn it on. It's control reflection by noise. You see here? Interactive render. You can see it's control the reflection by noise. And of course, with this channel, you can add dirty texture on your object. This is the usage of this channel. Look at these images. Yeah, something like that. For example, we have an object and you can add a dirt dirty texture on your object. Okay, that's it.